Hello there. Today we'll be looking at the 1.3.1 compression encryption hashing thing from computer science. Compression is the process of making files smaller, which is taking up less storage. Partially useful when transferring data via the internet. Lossy compression. It takes away some information from the original. The information is permanently lost in the process, which is irreversible. Used on images as some loss of detail is acceptable and is likely not to be noticeable. It's not suitable with text though, as the small amounts of information would make the text unreadable. Right, lossless compression. No data is lost. Preserves all the information from the original. Used on files when losing data would not be an option. So when you don't want to lose data at all, in codes and in written texts. Lossless. The run length encoding. RLE. It's not suitable to natural language. Not suited to natural language. It's more likely to be used in simple images. Relies on consecutive piece of data, and each set of consecutive symbols can be represented by a symbol and its number of occurrences, e.g. A, B, 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 C, 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 could be represented as 4A, 5B, and 3C. Let's have a look. Lossless. Dictionary coding. Frequently occurs pieces of data or groups of characters are replaced by tokens. Oh, you have to know this one. A dictionary is then used to say which token matches which groups of the characters. When decompressed, the dictionary is used to replace the tokens with the original text. The dictionary is to be transmitted with the file as like a key. Yep. This is the next page. Encryption. The process of converting data into code, especially to prevent unauthorized access. Symmetrical encryption. The same key is used to decrypt then encrypt the data. Would require both parties to have a copy of the key, and a key exchange would be required. The key couldn't be transmitted over the internet, as an eavesdropper monitoring the messages may be able to see it, so it's kind of worthless and stupid and not to do with our time. But this is the good one, the asymmetric encryption key. Now, asymmetric encryption. One public key encrypts the data, and a different private key is used to decrypt it. No key exchange is required. An asymmetric key is good for the internet traffic as it gets around the requirements of the key being sent because it's two different keys. So you just send out your key to the whole entire world and people will go, that's Ben's key. We can just send him emails now. And it's great. A hash. It is a result generated by applying a hashing algorithm to a value. Hashing. An algorithm used to convert data into a hash. Hashing is one-way process. It's used for storing passwords in databases. A good hashing algorithm will make 3 of the criterias that I will speak about now. It has one with a low chance of collisions, which means different items don't create the same hash. One which is quick to calculate, and one that provides a small output than the data you actually put, like chicken chow mein will put out 62W. Don't trust me on that. Okay.